Welcome to Gap Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 12 on income taxes. If you are an auditor, investor, lender or employee of a listed company, after watching the videos on Gap Advisors channel, download the financial statements of the listed company and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India. And don't forget to contribute your desired amount towards the value creation by scanning the QR code given in the slides. A review of financial statements lets you know the degree of reliance you can place on the information in those financial statements. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by Gap Advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. A listed company has disclosed in accounting policy that the current tax expense or credit for the period is the tax payable on the current period's taxable income based on the applicable income tax rate for each jurisdiction, adjusted by changes in deferred tax assets and liabilities attributable to temporary differences and to unused tax losses. Para 5 of Ind AS 12 defines tax expense or tax income as the aggregate of current tax and deferred tax. Current tax is the amount of income taxes payable or recoverable in respect of tax profit or tax loss for the period. Thus, current tax is not adjusted by changes in deferred tax assets and liabilities as reported by the company. For changes in deferred tax assets and liabilities, deferred tax is adjusted. Accordingly, the policy is not in accordance with Ind AS 12. After reading this policy, we saw how the company has reported tax expense in statement of profit and loss. Tax expense as reported by the company has been presented in this slide. The presentation of tax expense in profit or loss does not provide any idea of the extent of the adjustments made to current tax. Thus, the current tax and deferred tax reported in statement of profit and loss and balance sheet has been inappropriately adjusted, due to which both these statements have been impacted along with the notes. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code towards the value created. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by Gap Advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com.